What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be playing One Punch Man Awakening, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to level up from level 0 to level, whatever level you want to be. Like, as you can see right now, I'm rank A, and I'm level 300 and, I'm level 3,403. And so yeah, I've been playing for a while because I'm alpha, like I was an alpha tester. But I took a long break, which is why I'm not at S rank right now. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to level up today. So to start off, when you first join the game and you don't have like a level or a rank, you just kind of want to do these exercises for each and everything. And the buttons to exercise are Z, B, N, and M. Now I forgot which buttons did what. See, and when you click on the it's like this stat bar down here in the corner. It'll show each of your things. So Z raises your energy. So if you have like Esper, Cyborg, or Alien, you mainly want to do this because your strength will be based on energy. Um, B, that raises your defense. So you do sit-ups, and that's for your defense. That will help you like against attacks from NPCs and other players. You won't take as much damage as you would if you didn't have it. And oh yeah, and also this helps you level up, especially when you're low level. Just doing exercise and levels you. But so yeah, that's that. In that raises your stamina. You do squats, and so this will make you faster, like run faster and stuff like that. And then in which are push-ups, raises your strength. So if you're like ninja or superhuman, yeah, you just do strength because your all of your attacks are based on strength. So, but anyways, see, I'm an Esper, so all of my stuff is based on energy, which is why energy is my strongest thing. So you see, I have 4K in energy, and everything else I have 3K. So, but anyways, yeah, you just want to do exercises till about level. I say till about level. Hmm, Probably till about level like 50, 45 or 50, because you will have to defeat the NPCs, the criminals, which are the weakest ones. But if you're just now starting off, then that's going to be pretty hard for you. So, but after you get to like level 50 or 60, just doing exercises, you want to come to this purple building over here, and you get the first mission. What am I doing? So this is the first mission up here. This is the mission board. This is the first mission. So you just click that, and you see it's right here on the side of your screen. And so, oh, these are the top, like the strongest people in the game. In the game, if you didn't know. But anyways, you just want to do that. There's going to be a red arrow that shows you the way. See, and I'm Esper, so I can fly. I'll do a showcase of all my abilities in another video. But you just want to. I'm missing all these people. You just want to kill 10 of these at a time. I don't really need to run around because I can just use my abilities when they spawn. And so you see, you already got 4, and I'm the strongest in this server right now. So I can't. I'm trying not to use my abilities too close to other players. Like this player, like if I try to use it right here, this close, it kills them. So you just want to kill 10 of those. 10. See, and when you finish, you'll get this little golden glow around you. So, but you want to keep doing this quest to like, I say level 150 or 200, and then after you get to level 200, you want to go to the next quest, which is the parasiters. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but you just want to do that. Oh, and you can help people too. See, or get help. Like if you're in a game with a high level, and as long as you do 10% damage, then anybody else can kill them, and you'll still get it. So, oh, I have power control, so I can just show that off too. So, see, power control. That's where I can control my power. Usually, I do 100%, which means I'm using um, all of my power. But let's see if I do 20%. You see my health goes down. So right now I'm at like the same level as probably the same level as like a B rank. It's only 25% of my power because I'm close to being, well, almost close to being S rank. I don't know how many more levels I gotta do to get the S rank, but as long as you do 10% damage, then anybody can kill it and you'll still get it. So, and that's especially good with bosses, which I'll show you because after these NPCs, which is when the bosses come in. So I'll just show you that. I'm gonna raise my power level back up. So you just want to go back. Okay, yeah, and after you get to like level 150 to 200, and do those till you get to like level 500, which is really easy. If you're a low level, I can't really start over unless I try to make another account and play. But you'll get a lot of levels from just doing those back to back, which is what I did. So then we have Tyrone, which is, oop, I didn't I didn't mean to hit him, but Tyrone, which is the first boss, he's the weakest boss. And so as long as you do like 10% damage, a high level can like take him out for you. And that's the end of that. And you see, I got a few levels from that, but that's because I'm a high level already. But yeah, you just keep doing the bosses. You do that from, let's see, I said the first one to like level 500. After you do Tyrone, you just got to go back through them because there's a timer, especially with like the stronger the NPC and boss, then the longer the timer is. So you see, I just did Tyrone. Click it again. I have a timer for 9 minutes and 21 seconds. So you could just keep doing the first quest and the second quest until Tyrone finishes it, and do him until you get to like, I don't know what level. Uh, you can keep doing those. You get to like level 800, and then go to the next boss, which you will see because each boss has a red arrow above them. So yeah, you'll see that. Oh yeah, the code. There's a code. I forgot the. I was gonna put it at the beginning of the video, but I guess I lost track of time. So the new code is 200K, and I'll put it in the description box below too. I'll put it in the comments. I mean, oh, let me see. 2K. Okay. I don't know. I just seen it. Okay, hold on one second. I'm looking for my phone so I can see what the code is, but I could have sworn it was 200K. Mm, mm. Oh, okay. All right, I put it in wrong. So it's 200K exclamation mark. Let's see if that works. Okay, yeah, you get 150,000 coins. And you see my money up here. I spent mine on other forms. I'll show that off in the next video too on other cosmetics, but that's how much I have at the top. 699,000. So, um, yeah, this tutorial is kind of confusing, I know, but as long as you just follow the basics, like I was saying, just keep doing the quest in order, and then like just keep doing them back to back. You get to like a higher level to do, go to the next boss, then you should be good at leveling up. And yeah, if you're Esper, Alien, or Cyborg, then be sure to raise your energy as much as possible. And if you're like Ninja and Superhuman, then you need to raise your strength because that'll make you stronger. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know more videos you guys want to do with other games. And thank you.